So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix a black screen Samsung TV. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to remove the plug from the plug socket, whether that's in a wall or an extension lead. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over to my extension. I'm going to remove this, and what we now need to do is we need to wait around 30 seconds for the TV to fully reset. Now, if this doesn't work, what we can do is we can plug our TV back in. So now we are plugged back in, and now what you want to do is you want to go to your television here and you want to locate the power button. Now, my power button is in the middle. On some Samsung TVs, it might be at the left or the right hand side. Now, what you want to do first of all is you want to locate this, and then as you can see, my power button is right here. So what you want to do now is simply hold this down for around 1 minute. And then after around 1 minute, what this will now do is it will essentially reset your television. So once 1 minute has gone by, you can then come away and then you can retry turning on your television. So if we go ahead and click on the power on button, as you can see, my television has now come on. If this doesn't work, I do recommend trying step 1 or 2 a couple more times to see if it does work. But once you have done that, it should then work. And if it doesn't actually work, what you will notice is that your television is more than likely broken.